So you collect from?
We collect from farmers, and then we also do our own milk.
You do your own milk.
We do about 1,500 liters. Yes. But we want to be able to collect from all of them.
Yes. My encouragement is that this milk production, milk packaging,
Yes.
the private sector should take the lead.
Yes.
Should take the lead.
Yes.
So people like yourself and others, should help us in the processing of milk.
Yes.
Because
Governor, none of them say,
Governor. Yes, asaidia huyu mtu kwa mambo ya process milk.
Yes.
Let us get more people in the private sector.
Yes.
Hii Nkanasa cow.
Yes, Nkanasa cow.
Is it Nkanasa cow or Nkanasa milk?
Nkanasa cow.
Hiyo maziwa ndio inatoa maziwa. Hiyo ng'ombe ndio inatoa hiyo maziwa.
Na ni tamu ni kama boma. Na ni tamu?
Ah, very good. Asante sana.
Pole.